In the case of Wi-Fi connection, we need to insert the SD card directly without the USB disk. Press Settings. Press Wi-Fi. Select the correct Wi-Fi name. Enter the password. Press Apply. Now the 3D printer has been connected to the Wi-Fi. Open the Iroga 3D slicer. Click Wi-Fi. We can select English language here. Click Quick Search. Wait patiently and it will find the 3D printer. Double-click, and we get the Wi-Fi control panel. We can operate the 3D printer from the computer now if you like.